Have you encountered the problem that your iPhone or iPad cannot log into your Apple ID? If you're facing such an issue, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will provide you with 3 effective solutions. Let's dive in. Why does your Apple ID keep saying could not sign in? If you are unable to sign into your Apple ID to use any of the Apple services, then it might be possible that your Apple ID is locked. Here, we list a series of reasons why you can't sign in with your Apple ID on apps. 1. Over a short time, using multiple different techniques to access iCloud on the same account. 2. Third-party tools that are built on the site of open-source iCloud code. 3. Signing into your Apple ID multiple times in a row with the wrong password. 4. Giving the wrong answer to the security questions too many times. Here, after we figure out the reasons, you can choose to try the solutions we provide below. Fix 1. Check the date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can affect your sign-in process. First, go to the Settings app and click on General. Then choose Date and Time, and swipe the cursor to turn on the Set Automatically mode. Then you can try logging in to your Apple ID again. Fix 2. Perform an iOS update. If the iOS version of your device is relatively low, you may also be unable to log into your Apple ID. Therefore, you need to go to Settings to check the current system version of your device and update it. After the update is successful, you can log into your Apple ID smoothly. Fix 3. Change your internet connection. If your connection is weak or intermittent, it may cause issues with signing in. So you can enable airplane mode, or switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi to mobile data. This setting will ensure that your device's network is in a stable state, and then you can try logging in again. Fix 4. Reset Apple ID password in simple clicks. Suppose you could not sign in with your Apple ID after entering the Apple ID password several times. In that case, you should try any unlock. No matter whether you want to remove someone else's Apple ID from your iPhone or you forget your own Apple ID and password, it can help you remove your Apple ID without the password effectively. Besides, it can bypass the iPhone screen passcode, bypass MDM, remove the screen time passcode, and so on. Now, let's fix the could not sign in to Apple ID issue step by step. Step 1. Free download any unlock and open it on your PC/Mac. Step 2. Select Unlock Apple ID and click Start Now. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and click Unlock Now. Step 4. Any unlock will remove the Apple ID from the iPhone automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Step 5. When the removal process is completed, your problem has been fixed. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.